It's Kaukau time. A cakey Kaukau book written by April Hale and Hannah Augustine. Read by Robert Rutherford for our son John. It's Kaukau time. Everybody needs aloha. Learn to listen to its signs. When there's a rumbling in your opu, you know it's Kaukau time. Pluck a ripe papaya, like a jewel you can eat. Plunge a spoon into its flesh, so juicy, fresh, and sweet. Fry up some Spam. Pack the rice good and tight. Wrap it up in nori and take a big bite. When you're craving something that's more than just a snack, gotta get one Loco Moco, but we wear it a Kanaka Tech. Uncle's fresh caught ahi makes the best poke bowl. Wash it down with guava juice, food for the soul. Bundled up in hearts of green with a side of sticky poi. Delicious, savory lau fills empty tummies up with joy. When it's time for dessert, go ask Tutu real nice. She might sneak you one malasada or a rainbow shave ice. Our Hawaii ohana has roots all over, like a beautiful banyan tree. Many diverse and ono flavors make one special family. The end. Kaukau time. It's Kaukau time.